Opening statements are set for today in Dylann Roof's murder trial in South Carolina. He was going to represent himself, but then he changed his mind and asked for his attorneys to come back. Roof is charged with shooting and killing 9 black church members during a prayer group in Charleston that they welcomed him to about a year and a half ago. Jonathan Serrie is live at the courthouse as this gets underway. Good morning, Jonathan.
Hi, Martha. The jury has now been seated. Opening arguments set to get underway. Dylann Roof sat quietly in the federal courtroom as his defense team and prosecutors narrowed down a pool of 67 prospective jurors to the final panel of 12 jurors and 6 alternates. Now, among the observers in that packed courtroom, family members of the 9 victims who were gunned down during Bible study at the historically black Mother Emanuel AME Church the evening of June 17, 2015. Dylann Roof, an avowed white supremacist, had initially said he wanted to act as his own attorney in this trial. He since agreed to allow lawyers to represent him in the initial guilt phase of the trial, but not the sentencing phase. That would allow Roof himself to cross-examine witnesses in this phase, including the victims' relatives.
So normally you'd have a defense attorney asking the questions and the defendant sitting at the defense table, but not in this situation. You'd actually have him speaking directly to the victims. And that very well may be the answer as to why he wants to represent himself.
But Ashley Merchant says there are many other potential reasons that clients refuse representation during sentencing. Quite often it's they don't want their attorneys to bring up embarrassing information about their past, mental illness or abuse. Martha?
All right. Jonathan, thank you very much.
It's remarkable.